In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build charts in Bubble.io using plugins. First, let's open a web browser and navigate over to Bubble.io. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but since we're assuming you already have an account, let's go ahead and log in. So once you're on the homepage of Bubble.io, you should see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll see a few options for logging in. We're going to choose Continue with Google for ease of use, especially if you are using your Google account frequently across different platforms. Clicking on that will bring you to a page where you can select your Google account or add one if it's not already listed. Choose your account to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed back to the Bubble.io dashboard where you have access to all your projects. Look for the project you want to work on, or you could start a new one if that's your intention. Click on the project name to enter it, and let's get started adding our chart. Within your project, you want to direct your attention to the Plugins tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that to open up the Plugins section. Now you'll want to add a chart element, so you need to click on Add Plugins. Once you're there, head over to the search bar and type in Charts to find the plugin we need. You'll see a list of available plugins related to charts, and the one we're going for today is called Chart Element by Bubble. Once you find it, click on it and then press Install. This plugin will make it very easy to incorporate charts into your Bubble project. After the installation is complete, you can exit the plugins section and go back to the design view of your project. This is where you'll typically spend most of your time arranging app elements on the page. In the design view, locate the search function once again and type in chart to bring up your newly installed chart elements. You'll find options like line or bar chart. Click on your preferred chart type. As you decide on your chart, simply click and drag to place it on your page where you'd like it to appear. This can be anywhere on the page canvas, and you can resize it as needed. Now with the chart element placed, you can click on the chart type again. Here you get to choose the kind of chart you want. Perhaps a line chart or a bar chart, depending on your data visualization needs. Remember, you can always change this later if you wish to explore other types of charts. And that's it. You've successfully incorporated a chart into your Bubble app using plugins. Make sure to play around with the settings to customize it to your liking. And that wraps up today's tutorial on creating beautiful charts right within Bubble. Keep experimenting and happy charting.